Z Squad. We right here, right now. We with the BMW mechanic, trying to get him to see if he can actually do some CV work on the BMW before we take it to Maaco's to go get a paint job. Um, this is our current situation right now. Yeah, Z Squad. Look at her going in there. Woo. All right, yeah. But our plan at the end of the day is to get the car fully intact so that we're able to do the stage two on the BMW. You get what I'm saying? I'm honestly hoping that after everything is done, after he's looking over the whole car specs and everything like that, he'll actually give me the green light to say, like, okay, we can move forward and put the stage two in there. Checking the measurements. I wanted to see underneath this for the longest, yeah. Watch when we get this new exhaust, and it look like sitting here letting the car warm up just a bit, and then we're gonna go take off and go over to the mechanic spot and get the Ram. Go get the Dodge Ram. Sorry, I had a bad. All right, we about to take the BMW over to the mechanic spot to go pick up the Ram, if that makes sense to y'all. But yeah, we about to go drop off the BMW and we're gonna pick up the Ram. The Ram had a situation where both of the CV axles and the differential on the front, they all went bad. So I had to get the whole front end as far as that replaced. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go over there, we're gonna grab the truck, we're gonna tell them that I need the 2 CV axles on the BMW fixed as well. I said CV axles. I need both of the control arms fixed as well on the BMW as well. So, unfortunately, we don't have the shop just yet, but we are working towards getting the shop. You guys can't see it, but right in front of me, I have the 2014 Chevrolet Malibu, and then right here, over here to the left, we got the 2015 Kia Optima. I plan on selling both of these, and I plan on doing a little bit more uploads about these car flips and how to car flip and get cars from Copart, IAA, and other salvage auction. This video today, we're just gonna basically be just picking up the Dodge Ram. We're gonna see, I'm gonna show you guys the work that they did as far as fixing it. But yeah, it's just like little things like this that is the reason, it's the reason why we need to get a shop, so that I could do most of this maintenance on my own and I don't have to pay these outrageous fees to get the car fixed. You get what I'm saying? I'm not knocking nobody's hustles, but right now in this market, bro, everything is expensive. Everything is expensive. So trying to budget your money and make sure that your money is not being wasted and you're actually using your money towards the right thing is very important, y'all, especially when it comes to the car flipping game. You don't want to sit there and just be spending all your money on labor. Especially labor is when on labor tasks that you could do yourself. You get what I'm saying? So that's moving forward. That's one thing that we're going to take care of. We're going to take care of getting us a garage so that we're able to access and work on cars anytime being. And I could actually get into more detail as far as breaking down the car on, say for example, if the tire went out, right? If the tire or somebody needed help changing the tire on a vehicle, I could be able to upload that to the YouTube platform so that if somebody needs help changing the tire, I'll be able to help them. You get what I'm saying? That's just an example. There's people that DM me all the time asking for help as far as like Copart flips or how do I flip a car and such. So we're gonna get more in depth in that on this channel. We're gonna show you the ups and downs. So, but yeah, we're gonna take a drive over here to the mechanic spot to go look at what they did to the Dodge Ram, and we're gonna get them to take the BMW in for maintenance. Like I said, I gotta get both of the control arms fixed. It's a hot day today, boy. That sun is out. I'm gonna open this window. Oh, But yeah, Z Squad, make sure that y'all don't be letting nobody put y'all down. Make sure you stay level-headed. Don't let nobody take you off your pivot. And do what you gotta do out here, man. Don't let nobody be wasting your time. Don't be letting nobody waste your time out here. It don't matter if it's relationships. It don't matter if it's friendships. It don't even matter if it's family members. Just don't be letting people waste your time. You know what I'm saying? Your time is very valuable. So you gotta take advantage of the time that you have and the time that you use. You know what I'm saying? Because people will waste your time. I'll be showing all of that on YouTube, but I figure I'll show y'all a little bankroll. But this is all money that's going towards the Dodge Ram. That's all towards the Dodge Ram. If y'all don't know how to flip a car, you need help on flipping the car. This is crazy. I'm paying basically $2,500 for maintenance. You know what I'm saying? They had to replace the differential in the front, and they had to replace 2 CV axles on my left and right side on my Dodge Ram. So that came up to like $2,500. But what I'm gonna try to do is, since I'm bringing the BMW into them, the F10, I'm gonna try to get them to give me some type of deal as far as the Dodge Ram work. And then we're gonna see how much they try to charge me for the BMW, you know what I'm saying?